Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Victor, the analyst. So today we're going to be looking at role level security. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I encourage you to do so. Subscribe and like this video. All right, let's get started. Yeah, welcome. So in this tutorial, we're going to look at role level security in Power BI. So what is the role level security? It's actually a feature that actually restricts data access as a role level based in user rules. You understand? Based on user rules. You understand? Like let's take for example now you have your sales manager. You understand? So the sales manager will be able to see data related to all regions. You understand? Then the regional sales representative will be able to see only just data related to the regions and related to the region, while store manager will to see data related to store. You understand? So let's say you have a dashboard that actually contains all this, so you can actually designate which data they need to see. So we're going to go to the practical side of things, so we can see how we can create a role level security. All right, let's get started. So in this dashboard, this dashboard has to do with operations. You understand? So we have three operational managers, which is Timothy, Shola, and Emo and Happiness. So we are going to create role level security for Timothy and Shola. Understand? Then we'll create one role level security for the manager. So what will happen is that if we increase this for Timothy and for Shola, they will we're going to assign their email when we take it to the Power BI service. So with their email address, they can be able to see data related to them alone. All right, let's get started. Let's see how we can do this. So the first step you need to do is to go to the home, to the model. Then you click on this one they call create, change or delete security role. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on new. This is the role. I'm going to rename this to Shola. Then I'll hit enter. So I'll select the table I want to work on. This is the fact table. So I'll click on the plus sign and click on the drop down. I'll come down, I'll look for operations, and I say equals to, when operations equals to Shola. So I can just click on save. I'll click on this again, save. So we created one Shola. So let's create Timothy. I'll rename this to Moti. Hit enter. So click on the plus sign, the drop down. I look for operations. I say equals to this is Timothy. All right, then I hit on save. Hit on save again. All right, we've actually created two rows. So let's create the last one for the manager. The manager will be able to see all the whole dashboard at once. So I'll double click on it. I'll say manager. So I will not create any condition for that. So I'll click on save. Hit save again. So we've created three rows. So what we're going to do is just to click on close. Now we can come here on this drop down. So we want to see for the manager, for Shola. Let's see for Shola. This is what Shola we see. So I'll click on OK. So let me go to this. So you can see. So this is what Shola will be seeing. Google is just going to be seeing data only related to him. You understand? So let me click on stop viewing. I can still come back here again to the model view and say okay, yeah, I want to see for Timothy and click on OK. So what happens is that those two people just get to see data related to them, you understand, why they don't get to see data related to the other person. So now we can actually push this to Google service, a bit to Power BI service, where they can make use of it. So I'll click on publish, then I'll click on save. So I'll click on workspace and I'll click on select. So then I'll click on replace. So let's wait for the link to come up. I'll click on this. So let me just log into the Power BI service. Okay, now this is our dashboard. So I'll come to the home. Let's go to the workspace. My workspace. Okay, yeah, my workspace. So the name of the work is actually ERP cookies. So let me look for cookies. This is cookie append and merge. So click on these three dots. So you go to security. All right, from security, these are the three rows that I've created. So I can sign their email. So let me click on manager. So the let's say our manager email is Samuel. This is our manager's email. I can just select this and click on add. So automatically, once the manager is signed in with that email, he gets to see his own dashboard. So Shola too. Let's say I select Shola. So let's say I select Shola, then I click on this, then okay, I want to bring Shola email, then I'll select this and I'll click on add, then I'll click on save. That's I've assigned the email for Shola. So for Timothy, I want to assign email of Timothy. So I'll bring Timothy email here. I'll say Timothy. So once Timothy log in with this email, he gets to see his own part of his own. He gets to see his own part of his own email address. Alright, I'll click on save. So with this now, I can just come here, click on these three dots and see. So this is let's say we want to see how they will see what Shola will see in the Power BI service. I'll click on these three dots and I'll say test, select Shola, then click on these three dots and click on test as rows. So this is what Shola will see when he sign in to view this dashboard. You understand? It's just going to see this alone. So this is how you can actually create a row. This is how you can actually create a row level security with Power BI. Alright, I believe that we actually learned a lot. Alright, in my next video, I'll be creating the 7 features that you don't want to miss. You understand that it was created in Power BI 2024. You understand? So I will encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, because of that's going to encourage me to create more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you very much.